This video may shock you because this snake plant is not watered for the last 3 entire months. Though the plants are still alive, but the leaves are shrunk, wrinkled, have lots of brown dry leaves, and around 70% roots are damaged due to extreme underwatering. But even after this, I'm going to show how all these plants can be rescued and end up with healthy, lush snake plants. I have also provided some special care tips that helped me to revive these dying plants fast, so watch till the end for proper information. Since the plants are underwatered, you might say thoroughly watering will revive back these plants. But in such extreme cases, instant watering derives root rot rather than hydrating the plants, because around 70 to 80% roots are dried out and the plants are unable to absorb moisture. In such cases, it's better to cut out each plant, because each of these snake plants has aerial roots, as you can see from these sides, so there is a second chance of growing them back. The base of every single plant is firm and has enough potential to grow back. So after taking out the plants, I removed the lower dry and sad looking leaves. Also removed the dry roots. And finally, put them in water to soak overnight and become hydrated. Now after 24 hours, the plants soaked enough water and the leaves are bounced back a bit. Here, you can leave these cuttings in water for a week to root them in water if you want to, but I like to repot in soil because ultimately we have to plant them in soil for proper growth. The snake plants prefer well-draining, arable soil because they form rhizomes, and rhizomes are susceptible to overwatering. Also, the previous soil was inappropriate. So here I am using this DIY indoor plant soil mix. I have provided the potting mix recipe in a separate video. Check the video link from the description box or pinned comment after watching this video. Now only insert the base of the snake plant. Keep the crown above the soil to prevent base rot. By the way, if you found this video helpful, then it will be highly appreciated if you hit the like button and also support this channel by subscribing. After repotting, lightly moisten the soil. Now, some special maintenance we need to take after repotting such plants. Since the plants are not rooted in new soil, we should not overwater the soil. I mean, not to water more frequently, it can derive root rot. At the same time, has not let the soil run out of moisture. Need to maintain a light moisture level in the soil. Keep such snake plants in a spot where the plants will receive a whole day bright indirect light, because snake plants, whether it's a cutting or a transplanted plant, they like to stay in bright place, which help them to bounce back fast. At this point, avoid using fertilizers until all the cuttings have well-developed roots. The potting mix already contains a good amount of compost, which is enough to nourish the roots. If you are interested to learn how to get more snake plant pups, then I have revealed the secrets of growing this plant in the video that is displayed on the screen. Check that out, and thank you so much for watching this video.